हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नया टॉपिक, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर। एज फार एज वी नो दैट आवर गवर्नमेंट is concerned three organs, and these three organs are also known as pillar of our government. First organ is legislature organ, second is executive, and judiciary third organ. First of all, separation of power means इन तीनों ऑर्गन्स लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी, इन तीनों ऑर्गन्स के पास जो पावर है उन पावर्स को सेपरेट और सेपरेशन कैसे किया गया है और क्या क्या सेपरेशन है उन पावर्स में, ये हमारा मेन टॉपिक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिमेंबर दैट वी हैव three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. Second one is each organ of government having its own area to perform various types of function, principles and any type of work. Third is each function of government is independent in performance of its function. Please remember that no organ is to go out of the boundary prescribed, and this is the crux of separation of power. Means जो तीनों ऑर्गन्स लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी है, इनमें से कोई भी ऑर्गन अपनी बाउंड्री से, अपनी जुरिस्डिक्शन से बाहर जाके वर्क नहीं परफॉर्म कर सकता. मेन क्रक्स और कंक्लूजन और मेन पॉइंट्स जो है सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर का यही है. बट बिफोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एग्जैक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ separation of power, it is important that we can understand the exact power and work of our these three organs. That is, first organ is our legislature. Simply, legislature means brain of our main authority. In simple term, the work of legislature is to enact a law, to enactment of new laws. So it is also known as a brain of our government. Second organ is our executive. Executive organ means that implementation of law. Work of executive authority is implementation of law in various in our countries. Simply we can say that. And executive organ is known as arm of government. Implementing of law and known as our arm of government. Third is our judiciary. This organ is known as soul or spirit of our government. The reason is that this organ is simply controlling the operation of law at ground level, means interpretation of law. So these are the three organs: legislature, enactment of law; executive, implementation of law; third, and judiciary is interpretation of law. Now very important definition is given by our one famous person, Montesquieu. According to Montesquieu, there would be an end of everything, where the same man or the same body, whether of the nobles or of the people, to exercise those three powers, that of enacting law, that of executing the resolution, and trying the causes of individual. मोंटेस्क्यू ने सिंपल वर्ड में कहा, अगर एक ही पर्सन या एक ही बॉडी ये तीनों पावर्स को एक्सरसाइज करेगी, मीन्स परफॉर्म करेगी, वन अथॉरिटी एक्सरसाइज these three powers, then there is a chances of end of law. तो वहाँ पर हर एक चीज को एंड करने का मीन्स डिस्ट्रक्शन का चांसेस रहेगा, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट only one authorities perform all these functions. And according to another person, according to Wed and Phillips, the same person should not compose more than of the three department. One department should not control or interfere with the work of other two departments. So, separation of power simply or generally means each organ should be independent of the other, and no one organ should perform functions that belongs to others. Thank you so much. Next we will discuss in our next video.